amount of casualty coming in from ground. What's the latest that you have picked up?
Okay, right now I am on the location, and if the number of, as far as number of casualties are concerned, we already have the official figure of 241 out of 242 passengers who have already succumbed to this accident, very fatal and very unfortunate accident here. And apart from this, we are hearing about the casualties from the Medical College Hostel where we are standing right now. If you can see the building that is there, it is the Medical College Hostel, BJ Medical College Hostel, and we hear that from this particular place, when the plane crashed, there were 50 to 60 people inside this building, and there are reports that 5 of the students who have succumbed, there are 5 students who have succumbed, a doctor who has died, and also a doctor's wife also has died in this particular incident. If you can see the building, you can see the damaged portion on the rooftop on the last building. It is where exactly the plane had struck. On the other side, which is not visible from this point, where the media has been restricted by the security forces. We cannot go beyond this point because the entire area, as you can see, has been cordoned off by the security forces. The police is present here, the CISF personnel are present here, the investigation teams have been formed for the investigation of this particular incident. So this is what we can show you from this particular point. You can see the last building which has turned black because of the smoke that emanated out of the blast in the aircraft after it touched the building. The aircraft, which lifted up to the height of it was around 600 feet, and then it suddenly started coming down, and it hit this building of BJ Medical College building, where when it hit, it blew into a ball of fire. And then we now hear that 241 out of 242 people on board, out of them 12 crew members and 230 passengers were there. Only one person is alive, and he really very lucky man he is that he survived such a casualty, and he has been admitted in the hospital. Now what is happening is that investigations, there are talks of investigations that will be carried out. Now the investigation will be carried out by AAIB, that is Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, and also investigation team has been formed by the government, by the central government also. It is a high a very specialized investigative team that will be working on this accident to find out what made the aircraft to crash on this particular point. If you see the area and the surrounding of the area, very populated area, but the aircraft crashed on this particular building. Had it crashed a little before, it would have landed onto a slum, and the number of casualties would have been much than what it is right now. Right now we hear that 5 in the building, 5 students of the medical college, 1 doctor and 1 wife of a doctor in this building are the people who have died. There are several injured, 50-60 people were there, so around 50 people are reported to be injured in this particular building. And we could see, as we arrived here on the spot in the morning at around 7 a.m., we could see Wilson Campbell, the CEO of Air India. He was here on the spot, and right now also he is inside the building on the spot investigating.